All right, so this is how you make a GIF. I use a little app, but usually I'll start off by recording my screen. Now you do that on your phone, just pull up from the bottom. You'll be able to see that little record button. You can click that. If you don't see it, just long press on that area and you'll see one of the options show up as a screen recording. So obviously I'm recording right now. I use an app called Image Play or IMG Play. So I'll click on this. This will open up a library of all my photos. So let's see here. Let's pick a couple of these photos. I think I've got some logo photos that I want to throw in. Pick a couple of them pretty quickly and choose them in order that you want them to show in the flow of the GIF. You can still do videos, but this will just show you how to do photos really quick. So one thing is you can choose how fast or slow you want this GIF to go. So on the bottom slider, you'll see if I move that all the way to the right, you'll see the GIF is now 12 seconds long. It's going really slow. If I go all the way to the left, it's about 0.2 seconds long. I like to make my GIFs a little bit faster than normal, so I make it about 0.92. I don't know why, I've just always done that. For in my mind, it's faster, it's more. So say if I don't want to do photos, but I want to do a video, I'll click on that button on the top, click video. I'll give all my recent saves on my photos. Let's go to this video. I just made a video with a youth group doing a Bohemian Rhapsody song, which was awesome, but really nerdy and fun at the same time. So anyways, you'll see at the top, I can do that slider to choose what part of the video do I want to show. I can move also the sliders on the right and left to kind of cut the video down. So I did that, hit next. And then here's where I can actually speed it up, slow it down. So I'm going to speed it up just a little bit. Then I'm going to throw some text in here by clicking that button on the bottom. Let's do mama, because that's what they're screaming here. You'll see on the top now, you'll see mama up there, and I can move that to show I only want this text to show up during this portion of the GIF. It'll still show you like a little preview on your screen, but it's kind of emptied out, and then once it shows up on the GIF, it pops up in white. So that's a fun way to do that. You can save it here. It's going to give you a couple options on quality. If you do high quality, just know it's going to load longer on emails. If you want to make it repeat forever or 3 or 5 times, do that. Repeating 3 or 5 times is really good if you have like a really strong ending point that you want the GIF to end on and pause. So here it's saved it, it's put in my camera roll. You can shoot it out via text right here or Instagram or Messenger, and then you'll see I'll go over to my photos really quick, and there it is. The most recent one is that GIF, and I can send it out this way. So really easy way to create a GIF. I love this app. I'm not promoted by it. I paid for the premium version of it, mainly because I tested it out. It has a little watermark for the free version. I just want to get rid of that. So let me know if you have any questions.